Toronto. Hi, Paul.
Hi, good afternoon. Question for Rob there regarding a solar stock called UGE International. Just wondering if he had an opinion on the future of that particular stock, if he owned any of it, and if he thought there was, because of the changing environment in the U.S., the current stimulus package includes large incentives for solar companies. Wonder if that will have an impact on the stock.
Okay, yes, I do own the stock. I participated in the financing at 26 cents. The stock is somewhere in the range of 29 to 30. It basically has a market cap and an enterprise value of approximately $10 million. Of interest is that the backlog publicly disclosed was about $30 million US in March. Most recently, they've updated their backlog. It's around $72 million, which translates into about $100 million Canadian. So that's about more than a 50%, almost a 2.4 times increase in backlog in less than 3 months. And also remember putting that backlog into context, the most recent quarter of sales was about a $2.4 million annualized run rate. So that by itself, the stock is trading at a reasonable 4.2 times enterprise value to sales. And the backlog literally is 40 times last quarter's annualized sales run rate. So basically, also remember too that the enterprise value is 1/10 of the value of their backlog. So they focus on both New York State as well as the Philippines. They have solid kind of prospects for opportunity. As described, the investment tax credit is currently before the kind of U.S. Senate. They think the tax credit will end up increased, and it may include a cash grant option. UGE is also transitioning their business model to more like ZBEC, which is they build, own, and operate, which then brings higher recurring revenue and higher margin. So yes, I own it. The stock is currently 30 cents. It appears that it potentially might be warranting a value that would be significantly higher than the 30 cents. My guess, somewhere in the range of 50 to 70 cents would be reasonable based on the current backlog. I think the market will end up moving the stock higher as they see the earnings come in over time.
That's Rob McWhirter and our first batch of questions. More questions coming up after this break. Please stay with us right here on Market Call on BNN Bloomberg.